Will quantum navigation replace GPS? What if your car's navigation worked perfectly, deep in an underground parking garage? Or if your phone's map was always pinpoint accurate, even with zero signal? It might sound like sci-fi, but our total reliance on GPS has a critical and frankly scary flaw. It's surprisingly easy to jam or even fake a GPS signal, a vulnerability that's already causing chaos for ships and airplanes worldwide. But a new kind of technology, born from the strange and wonderful world of quantum physics, promises a future of navigation that can't be hacked, works anywhere on Earth, and never has to talk to a single satellite. This is quantum navigation, and it might just make GPS a thing of the past. Section 1. The hidden crisis of GPS. We think of GPS as infallible. It's that silent, invisible utility that powers our modern world. Sure, it gets you to a new restaurant, but it also does so much more. That delivery truck with your package, the ambulance trying to find an address, even global financial markets and telecommunication networks. They all run on precise timing and location signals beamed down from satellites orbiting high above the Earth. But here's the massive problem we're only now starting to confront. The GPS signal is astonishingly fragile. By the time it travels 20,000 kilometers to Earth, it's incredibly faint, weaker than the background noise of the universe. This makes it frighteningly easy to disrupt. There are two main threats: jamming and spoofing. Jamming is the brute force approach, just blasting out a powerful radio signal on the same frequency to drown out the GPS. Suddenly, every device in the area goes blind. Spoofing is far more sinister. Instead of just blocking the signal, a spoofer sends a fake one, tricking receivers into thinking they're somewhere they're not. And this isn't some hypothetical threat. It is happening right now on a massive scale. In 2024, GPS spoofing incidents surged dramatically. Between mid-July and mid-August of 2024, an estimated 41,000 flights were affected by these kinds of attacks. We've seen ships in the Middle East and the Black Sea dangerously thrown off course, and aircraft have had their navigation systems completely scrambled, leading to chaos in the cockpit. A single jamming event in the Baltic Sea impacted over 1,600 aircraft. The problem has become so severe that the United Nations has issued grave warnings about the growing threat to our global infrastructure. Our entire system of logistics, transport, and emergency response is built on a technology that can be knocked offline with relative ease. We've built a modern wonder on a foundation of sand.